Claude gave me this entire content marketing strategy today. I didn't have to prompt it, ask it, remind it. It did this automatically when I opened my computer this morning. By the end of this video, you will know how to do the exact same thing. If you watch till the end of this video, you will see exactly how you could turn Claude into a 24/7 AI marketing assistant. I'm talking about automating 80 to 90% of all of the busy work when it comes to ads, content creation, ICP research, and more. And if you're not technical, don't worry. I'm going to show you how to download everything step by step so you can have your own AI marketing assistant by the end of this video. Let's dive into it. For example, if you go to Claude, this might be familiar with you. It's just a good old chatbot. You might be using this in Google Chrome or the desktop app, like I'm using it right here. We are going to be switching tabs to the Cowork section, which does look a little bit intimidating. I'm going to walk you through step by step exactly how it works. And this is more powerful because you could work inside a project on your folder. You could add a bunch of different skills, connectors, and plugins. And right here, which is the secret sauce, we'll be setting this up live. You could schedule out tasks like the morning marketing brief that I just showed you. This ran it today, and it gave me exactly what I needed to do in terms of marketing tasks for my company. And this is set to run every single morning at 9 a.m. So I don't have to do any busy work, and this works while I am sleeping on my behalf. So instead of having regular Claude, which you have to start from zero most of the time, yes, it has memory, and Claude by itself is not bad. Claude Cowork allows you to schedule out tasks and do much more because of plugins and skills and things I'll be covering. So think of this more as like a full-time employee that actually does the same task for you every single morning, like an intern may do or like an assistant might do, and instead of a daily temporary employee, which is like a new person that comes every single day. You have to sort of tell them what to do. You have to remind them of this, remind them of that. Now, this is a real employee that will help you with the same task every single day, and it's very good at it. Especially for something as important as marketing, you need to make sure that everything is dialed in, because any time that you're wasting and not creating content and running ads and growing your business is time wasted. And we're going to cover this in three parts, starting with context, moving over to skills and plugins. I'm going to show you how to run those, and then going to scheduled tasks. So we're giving Claude information and context on your business. We're then building skills and plugins around that to lock that in. And we're scheduling tasks on top of that for specific things in the business that you want to actually automate. And by the way, if you want to follow along step by step, I have this completely free guide down below in the description with all of the prompts and tips we'll be covering in this video. Feel free to go down there and grab it for completely free. AI is only as good as the context you give it, just like an employee. Think about an employee. If the employee does not know what they're doing, or their job role or description or their schedule, they're not going to do a very good job. Same thing when it comes to Claude, same thing when it comes to AI. So you need to give it files, documentation, and knowledge base to actually start with for it to do a good job on top of. And some files I recommend you start with are brand voice. So telling Claude about your brand, how you sound, are you professional, are you cheerful, all those different things. Content strategy. So like what are your actual goals when it comes to content or paid ads or outreach? I'm going to talk about content because I believe content is the future of marketing online. If you watch all my other videos, you're sort of accustomed to that. So I'm going to be talking about content, but you could expand this to anything, any go-to-market strategy, anything you want. Next is competitors. So give Claude a reference of your competition, what they're doing, what's working for them, etc. And then your ICP, which is probably the most important thing. Claude needs to know, who are you writing this for? Who is the content for? Who is the ad copy and the creatives for? These are the files that are fundamental to your business that you need to be implementing into Claude. And all .md is a markdown file. Claude reads in markdown files, so that's all it is. So if you're an established business owner and you already have these, just go and convert a PDF to a markdown file, tell Claude to do it. Now it has all the context it needs. So if you go to Cowork, just go to regular old chat here. You can work within a project. So you can see I have a bunch of different projects like Attract AI Marketing. If I work in this folder, it has context about all of my marketing. So if I select this, I'll hit allow. Now when I work in this, I don't have to repeat information about my ICP, my offers, our pricing, none of that, because all of that is already stored in files on my computer, files that Claude now has access to. So that's exactly how that works. Another option is if you choose to work in no folders, which you can, so you just use Claude Cowork in the desktop app, you could go down to your settings right here. You go to connectors, and then you can connect live information like your Google Drive, your Airtable if you have information there, your CRM, your Gmail. So now Claude has more access to your live information, and it could see a little bit more about you. The holistic approach, what you want to be doing is actually connecting a folder and having all of these structured pieces of information like brand voice, offers, content strategy, competitors, ICP. You want to have that stuff in there in a folder. I have another video on that, so make sure you're setting that up properly. But that is also another option. We can just drag in or your connector through live data like Gmail, Google, CRM. So now Claude has connected that live data, and it'll get a better idea of who you are. And another way is skills. Skills are insanely powerful because it's a markdown file with plain instructions to tell Cowork how to do a specific job. So your voice, your rules, you drop it in a folder and then it picks up on it automatically. So for example, I'll show you how to set this up. If I do a backslash, I could see all of my different skills. All right. So I can see my LinkedIn post skill, my Nano Banana skill, my newsletter. This writes my newsletter. This writes my school community. By the way, if you want the actual templates, the plug and plays, everything that's in our AI marketing community down below, if you want to check that out. But this writes all the posts there, the trend scanner for my YouTube, all these different things. These are all skills I create. How do you create a skill? Go over to customize. Then you can see plugins and skills and connectors. So again, under personal plugins or under plugins. So Claude has their own plugins. So let me just go to browse plugins. These are all of Claude plugins right here. They're ready to go. You can hit add them right there. So let me go here. This is a personal plugin. So I made this custom Attract AI. That's our company. Under plugins are skills. So under this plugin of Attract AI content are all the skills about content, brand deals, LinkedIn posts, Nano Banana, newsletter, and so forth and so on. All right. So these are the skills under this general plugin. If I were to go to something that Claude made, so let's just do, this is the in-house plugin for marketing by Anthropic. So this is something you could use right now. They have these skills under the plugin. So they're brand voice, campaign planning, SEO audits, competitive brief, etc. And then they have connectors. Again, connectors are just connecting in live data, which I just showed you. So you have skills and connectors, and those live under overarching plugins. So that's sort of like the hierarchy of how everything is structured. It can get confusing at times. All right. So to create an actual skill, you could actually go ahead and just go here. You could add a skill, browse skills. So they have, again, baked in skills already, or you can make a custom skill. So you could chat with Claude back and forth to create a skill. You could write the skill instruction yourself, or if you already have, again, PDF or something, you could convert it into a .md markdown file and upload that as a skill. All right, so that is how you upload skills. I highly recommend that you take the time and you create a skill for your content, your brand, your ICP, competitors, all of those different things. Again, if you want the templates to how I create skills, that will be in our community down below. So you just plug and play and go from there. But that is how you create skills. That is how you create plugins, and that's how everything molds together. You have your plugins overall, you have your skills underneath your plugins. All right, so now we've sort of explained that Claude needs access to data in the form of either connecting live data, connecting skills and plugins. It needs live data or working within a folder. You need to give it data, otherwise it's not going to do a very good job. Now, once that is there, once the skill is built, how do we actually schedule this out to run every single day so it's truly a 24/7 assistant? Because the great thing is, this doesn't have to run once a day. You could have things running once an hour. Every single hour, it's doing something for you and returning it to you. So for example, let's say I'm creating a YouTube assistant. All right, I'm creating a YouTube assistant that every single day is going to help me post on YouTube, which I have an amazing video on. If you haven't seen that, I posted almost 17 times this month. So if you're interested in content and automating YouTube and social media, check this video out. This is actually like the workflow I actually preach and I actually use to 10x my views on YouTube in the past month. This is how I would go about doing so, right? So first I would go to scheduled on the left sidebar right here. I'm going to create a new task. I'm going to call it YouTube assistant. You're here to help me grow my YouTube channel and get more leads. And then for the prompt, let's just say every single time this runs, I would like 3 YouTube ideas, including a title, and then why I should create it and what problem it solves for my company based on what you know about my YouTube strategy. All right, now this is where you need to really dial this stuff in, because I'm going to hit enter right here and I'm going to call in skills. Again, skills have a specific skill to execute on. So I'm going to call in here my YouTube skill, my YouTube Copilot. I'm going to call in my YouTube title writer. Let's see what else I got here. Trend scanner. All right, so I am giving the scheduled tasks necessary skills to run this and give me accurate information. That is all I'm doing. Now, this is not going to be manually, so I could do it hourly. If I wanted a YouTube video every hour, daily, I'm going to do it daily at 9 a.m. That's cool with me. And then again, I could work out of a folder. You don't have to, and then I could choose a different model based on what I want. This uses the less amount of tokens. These use more. So I'm going to save that, and boom. It's really that easy. Like there's nothing else. Tomorrow at 9:01 a.m., I'm going to get exactly what I just made. Now, let's just run this, for example, and see what it does. So I'm going to run this right now. Schedule task, YouTube Assistant starting. I'm going to view it, and then it's doing this. So I could run over there. I could refill my water. I could come back. It's going to be doing this the whole time. And again, as long as your computer is open at 9 o'clock when this is scheduled, it will run. It will send you a notification on your Claude desktop, and you will have this ready to go. It's truly working for you all the time. You can set up 12 of these for every single platform, for every single thing you want, and it will do this all the time. And on the left, or on the right, excuse me, you can see the progress. So it'll fill this in a second. It's not working in any folder at the moment because I didn't choose one. The context that's bringing in is my YouTube Assistant. The skills are the trend scanner, and it's going to probably bring in some more skills as this works through. But that's exactly how you schedule the task. And I'm going over this again because it's so important. Context first, data first. Build skills on top of that data. Schedule after those skills have been made. You have to do it in that order, because if you schedule something and it's slop, great, you got slop in your inbox every single morning. No one wants that. So you really have to take your time and to nail these two right here, and then you could schedule it out, because scheduling it out is actually easy. That's one of the easier parts. And while that's going, here are other things that are possible using the Claude Cowork setup and the scheduled task I just mentioned. So we just went over this one. I get 5 YouTube ideas every single morning in my inbox. Awesome. Another few things that you can do are research and ideation on autopilot. So every single Friday, let's say at the end of the week, you could scan your weekly competition. You could see what's working for them, what's not. You can look at their offers. You can look at their landing pages. Like I have this all set up. I could literally spy on my competition, their social media, their offers, everything. Every single week, I can see what they're changing. So just so I can stay in the game, you can run this once a week. Another thing is content ideation, sort of cleanup. I have a lot of content ideas. I'm sure you have a lot of stuff if you're a creator as well. You could have things prioritized and cleaned up every single week for you. So you're heading into the next week with like a fresh priority of ideas to create. Some other things you could do is a weekly summary report. So you could get analytics every single day. At the end of the day, I actually have that set up so I can see my Instagram growth, profile visits. I'm reaching a few thousand people new every single day using content for completely free. It's pretty crazy what you can do, and being able to visualize that is awesome and have it automated. Next is newsletter draft. So sending out stuff to your list, getting more sales through email is still a massive strategy for digital marketing. Still works really well. So sending out emails and having that drafted at the beginning of your day when you open up your computer is something you could also do. And again, you don't have to do anything for this. You set it up once and you just let it run in the background. As long as your computer is awake at the scheduled time, you will have these things. Now, this is done. You can sort of see what it did here. So it scanned AI topics across sources, CNBC, ChatGPT, subreddits, artificial intelligence, marketing. Okay, cool. Trend summary. So it gave me these trends: Claude computer use, Claude code for non-technical marketers. That's sort of the video I'm making right now. Vibe coding. Okay, cool. Video idea one. I let Claude use my computer to run my marketing. Here's what's happened. And this has pillar one, why I should make this, what problems it solves. Now, these are all custom to me, which is sort of the whole point. I want to know the pillar. So these are my content pillars. You're not going to know what they are, but this is pillar one, which makes sense. It tells me what pillar it's in, why I should make this, and then what problems it solves for my audience. So for you, it'll be custom. But again, the entire point is that it's like having your own YouTube strategist or content strategist or marketing strategist on autopilot every single day. Then using the title skill. So I give it the title writing skill. It made these titles. So I actually really like this. Claude can now do your marketing for you, no code. I'm actually might make that video right now. That's a good title, right? That's something that I would personally click on paired with a good thumbnail. Like the title you clicked on right now is all made by AI as well in the same system. Top pick, okay, cool. Video idea two, set this up once. Claude runs your entire marketing agency. Okay, I get the deal. And it's even telling like, this solves a good problem and you should create this video because it's going to funnel people to your paid school, which, I have no shame. Like that is one of my goals, is to get people in the paid school as a monetization route for me. And then also people crush it in there. They love it and they make more than what they're paying. So that's one of the goals, and it understands that's a goal of mine. So it wrote this idea for me. Really cool. I built my marketing stack with AI instead of paying for software. Here's what I saved. Yeah, there you go. Titles, score of the title, what's the best for. Awesome. Top picks are these. And it also gives me a watch list. So Claude Code channels. I know this released recently. And the skip list. Yeah, we're done with ChatGPT 5. Left that in 2025, unfortunately. And then AI replacing marketers. High views, low funnel value. Okay, cool. Yeah, this was a trend that I was going to create, but it says, hey, let's skip this for now. Which I like. Like I wanted to give me feedback. I don't want to say, yes, Shaz, do this. Yes, yes, yes. I don't want a yes man. I want a strategist. I want someone that challenges me. So I did nothing for this. I ran this manually right now just for you guys, but if I open my computer at 9 a.m., I would have this, and I don't have to do anything. Same with all of these. Weekly summary report, newsletter draft, weekly competitor scanner, content ideation queue, all these things. I open my computer and it's there. I can have it by the day, I can have it by the hour. So it's pretty crazy what you could actually do. And that is the power of Claude Cowork, the proper setup with good data, good skills, and scheduling it. That is it. And again, if you want all the free prompts that I just covered in a more in-depth guide, you could find that below for completely free. And if you want even more sauce and a step above what I just showed you when it comes to AI marketing, I left all of my notes from the past few years generating over 7 figures for myself and my clients using AI marketing strategies just like this. It is in our premium community down below. Would love to see you there. If you like this video and you learned something, please leave a like. It helps me out a lot. If you like this video, you're going to love this one. So I will see you there, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.